Hey there, Aaron from Superior Singing Method. And this is Hate the Sound of Your Singing Voice? Do this. Okay, hate the sound of your singing voice? Do this. I've got an exercise for you. Actually, several vocal exercises for you at the end of this, toward the end of this video. But I've got another exercise for you. I want you to go back and listen to some of my earlier videos and listen to the sound of my voice. Juxtapose that with the sound of my voice right now. And part of that is my voice is different. I think you'll see it's pretty radically different. But even go back a year ago, some of the videos that I did a year ago, and notice how different my voice, how much my voice was trapped in my mask area and in my sinuses and in my nose, and different from what it sounds like now. You be the judge. And here's the thing. I've added a couple of new exercises to my vocal regimen, and I'm going to show you a couple. I've added a bunch of new ones, but I'm going to show you a couple of them right here. And this one more specifically targets the mask area, all that where the voice gets kind of trapped up there in your mask area. That's what I want to get rid of in your singing, because that's a lot of times when you hate your singing voice, it's because it's got that kind of that whiny nasally kind of quality. So here's what I want you to do. The first thing I want you to free up your sinuses and your nasal area is I want you to take your two fingers right here, and I want you to put them on the side of your nose. You can feel that little groove right there, and I want you to just massage your sinuses right there. I want you to massage that for maybe just like 5 or 10 seconds, just like that, and then I want you to go, and then I want you to move back and forth, go, out of your nose. Go higher. It sounds a little weird. And after you do that, I want you to go, me, my. Okay, so that's a lot of different stuff there, but what that's going to do is that's going to begin to open up your mask area, and I think you're going to like the sound of your voice, because what happens is you get that kind of fuller sound of your voice. And when you do the me, the my's, all those, do it with that kind of bratty, brassy sound. I hope that helps you as much as it's helped me, because it's really changed I could feel my voice differently now in my, I could feel it in my chest area, and it's not as, it doesn't feel as trapped. So hope that works as well for you as it does for me. Click the link below for more great resources. I've got a lot of free stuff, a lot of really helpful information for you if you want to become a better singer. So click the link below, and I'll see you next time.